This hack was created by a guy who goes by the handle MRN76 on the Electric Unicycle forum, and in my eyes he's a legend because he enabled what many of us S1 owners had been trying to do for a long time, and that is to unlock the full potential of this wheel and get rid of the 18 km/h speed limit. What this is a custom firmware that increases the speed limit to 30 km/h. This works on both the S1 and the S2. I'm going to show you how to do it, but be warned, this will avoid your warranty and you do this at your own risk, both in personal safety and the risk of damage to your wheel. I've put several hundred kilometers on my wheel with this mod and I haven't had a single issue, but I'm just saying, be careful and know that this is pushing the wheel closer to, or perhaps even beyond, its limits. For this you'll need a Segway or Ninebot S1 or S2, an app called NineTool developed by MRN76, and a license key which costs $30 US. I'll put links in the description to download the app and how to contact MRN76 to purchase the license key. I'm not making any kickback on this, but he did provide me with a free license key in exchange for testing the app and making this tutorial. This works on most Android phones, some more reliably than others. With all that said, here's how to do the mod. First, make sure the wheel is powered on. Then run the NineTool app. Hit Start Scan and let it find your wheel. Tap on it and the wheel will beep when the app connects to it. On some phones, like this cheap blue phone I bought just to do this mod, part of the GUI is cut off and there are other bugs, but it still works. Hit Get Key and wait for keys 1, 2 and 3 to appear, as well as your current serial number. Screen cap those or write them down. You'll need to send them to MRN76 in order to get a verification code. Once you've paid the $30 and have entered in the code, set the model to turbo and hit Set Model. You have now tricked your S1 into thinking it's an S2 with a 26 km/h speed limit. If you're happy with that, you're done. Power off and on the wheel and go and enjoy it. But if you want to unlock the 30 km/h speed limit, keep watching. This part is the most tedious, and the make and model of your Android phone will determine how many attempts it takes to succeed. Reboot the wheel and restart the NineTool app. Select V7.6.0 and hit Flash Firmware. You should hear a beep and the process will begin. The power button will flash slowly and the installation progress will be shown by the battery LEDs lighting up one by one. For me, the installation took about 30 minutes and it failed 13 times before it finally worked, so it was kind of annoying. So in case you have this problem, be prepared to set aside a few hours of your time. Some people don't have this problem, it just depends on their smartphone. When it works, you'll see the LEDs light up all the way around the wheel until they all power off and the wheel reboots. If you get that far, you're done. You now have a 30 km/h wheel. And you can verify this by checking the limit in the Segway Ninebot app. And that's it. Go and enjoy it and be careful. And when you hear those very fast beeps as it approaches 30, back off the power right away because you're at the limit of the machine and you don't want to take any chances. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a safe ride.